guys, sorry the video cut off. We just opened stuff here so that you can see stuff better. And we got hair chalk, which I like. And so we're gonna put that there. Don't worry about anything about it, but so this one, blind bag. Okay, so I will cut this, Savannah, and then you can take it out. Go ahead, take it out. Oh, that's a really pretty one. I'm gonna put that on my keychain. Oh, she's really pretty. If you see there, she looks super pretty. Okay, so we're gonna open up these now. Okay, so here's Savanah.
Thank you.
The last one. She got me that one the last time she came to my house. Okay, you can open this. Let's see. Ooh, these are really smooth. Smell ours. Oh, this one smells like a lemonade.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, that was really cute. You want to smell mine?
Sure.
Okay, so let's smell yours. And then I just feel my lips. I'll just put on my lips. Okay. No. He was playing with the guinea pig. Ah! Got it. Sorry about that. Flew away. That one smells like, I don't know, it just smells so good. Okay, so next, so we're going to put that there. Now we're going to do the mystery boxes. Okay, so, no. Okay, so I'll take out this one. Oh, that's funny that they have that little hole up there. It's so weird how they have that little hole up there. So you can take one out, and then we'll take one out together. This one we'll take out together. Okay, so put that one back, and we'll open this one up together, okay? Put that away. And